Hello there, I'm Julia Marie, the Herbal Fairy, and today I'm going out for a walk at Taylor Park. Do you see the beautifulness behind me? Look at this. The trees, the herbs, the plants, the flowers. Do you see this? Yeah. Look at that. You can find your path to wellness in nature. Go outside, go for a walk. Your mind will thank you. Your hormones will benefit. That's right, your hormones. If you're ever feeling under the weather, I know I do sometimes, going for a walk can just improve everything. I'm Julia Marie, the Herbal Fairy. Thanks for tuning in. Toodaloo. Bye-bye now.